Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the basic online teaching setup which you have to do, which you can do at your home with maybe a minimalistic amount of 500 to 1000 rupees, and you can start your career from with the basic tools. So we are going to discuss all those things. If you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing and press the bell icon and give me a thumbs up if you like any part of this video, so that I'll get an idea of my audience choice, what kind of content you guys want to see and you want to know. So without any delay, let's into the video. So I have divided the video into three parts. First one is the portal selection, second one are the equipment and the tools you required for, and third one is the expert advice and anything from my experience. So let's start with the first one. So first one, what you have to do, you have to do a background research. Believe me, there are thousands of videos and thousands of portals are available online. What you have to do, just check the complaints and reviews about that portal. If you want to target one portal, just go to the Google and check about their negative, about their complaints, about their bad reviews, because good you can get very easily, but bad you need to dig it out. So you just check and figure out what are the problems you are going to face in future when you will start teaching on that portal. So that you need to figure out the research where most of the people are facing problem with that portal, and if that problem is not so big for you, it's totally fine, you can go ahead. And if you know that problem is happening with every one of you, so you need to figure out, you need to deal with the portal that condition I'm going to put forward, this surely will not have to be happen with me. So that kind of precautions you have to take it. Second, come up with the equipment and the basic tools you require to teach. So that further I will divide into your time and space, your board, classroom board, and the mic, maybe sound system, proper light. So these all things we are going to cover. I'm sure with the investment of maybe 200 to 300 rupees, you are able to start a good setup, a good basic setup. So I'll tell you how. So first I'll talk about the time and space. See, time, if I'll tell you now, this is 4 a.m. early in the morning, because I want to make videos and I need silence around me, but that is not possible in my home during daytime because my child is around and I can't ask the boy to sit and be silent during the daytime. So I figured out a time. I usually get up early in the morning and shoot my video, and then I can go through my whole day with my family. So that's how you need to figure out what is the time best work for you, what is the 1 or 2 hour you or family must be busy or they're outside. You need to figure out that time. Now we'll come to the space. If you don't have a space, you can just easily just put a curtain at the background, or maybe just a plain cloth at the background and start teaching with that. There's no big deal in showing a fancy background and all. Now after that time and space, I'll come to the classroom board. I'll tell you one thing. When I was in India, I was teaching 2 students from Netherlands, and I'll show you how I used to teach them. So this is the first setup. You all of must aware about this selfie stick, easily available in the market, maybe amount of 50 to 100 rupees, I'm not sure, but approximately in this range. Now when I was there, so what I used to do, I used to keep my notebooks like this, something to make it stuck in between, and then I used to keep my phone here in this area like this. This is my phone. I used to hang it like this, and now I just put my class notebook here and I teach the notes here. Now in this process, the students can't see me because I don't have a equipment where I can show my face, plus I'll show the class notes. So what the students used to do, they used to just listen to my voice because I'm close to the phone, and they used to see the class notebook, the notes which I'm writing and explaining. So for this setup, you just need a selfie stick, 2 books around, which you must be having if you are a teacher, and a notebook and a pen, and you are sorted and you can start teaching. Believe me, if you have good command in the subject, you are explaining well, doesn't matter they are able to see your face or no. Okay, so this is the first setup where you can't see. The second setup can be a white board. Now the white board maybe depend on the size. You can just put a big one or a small one at the wall, or you can just lay down with the help of a support on the wall, and depend which subject you are teaching. If you are teaching math, you need a little big size board to explain the mathematical expression, or a physics teacher, you need to explain the derivation. If you are something related to language, or maybe something where you need just a small space, so depending upon that you find out the length or the measurement of your board. Now you need a board and the marker, and you just buy a simple tripod, or maybe this stick only. Just put it in front of you and just hold the with the help of notebook and facing it towards your phone, and now you just teach with the help of marker, and then they can see you. So in this way, you need a good light. You can invest in the selfie stick plus a basic phone and a ring light, so that ring light maybe provide you enough space and light on the board. Now sometime when we start teaching, you will see the white board will give a reflection with the light. Or if you don't have a ring light, just arrange a wire with the plug at the end, and attach a holder, and just put a bulb or a LED light in that and hang somewhere near to you, so that the board will be visible. Now when we talk about the ring light and the holder light, what happens, the reflection will come out from the board. So for that, you can just if you put this one bulb, you can just attach a paper around it, like a white paper or a butter paper, so that it will not give a soothing effect to the light, not like almost same reflection. Or if you are using a ring light, you just put a simple plain cloth, very thin cloth over it, so that it will not reflect back the light via the board. So this is the second setup. Now I'm going to talk about the third setup. I remember I saw one video on YouTube. If I'll get the link, I'll attach in the description. What this person has done, he just took up a piece of glass. For example, this is a rectangular piece of glass, right? I'll show with the help of a notebook. For example, this is a piece of glass, just a transparent glass. So what you have to do, this transparent glass you need to keep here with the help of some support, maybe on 2 chairs, or maybe anything as support, maybe a bundle of books here and here, and you just keep it like this. Now you put your phone here, okay, and when you will write on this glass with the help of marker, the students can see here this as a board. Just make sure there is nothing above you. It should be a plain roof, so that it will not come as a reflection, something else will not come in between. So you put your phone here, this is a glass, you have to write on this glass here with the help of a marker, and the student can see it with the help of a looking like a classroom board. So that is also a very cheap setup which you can do. Now we come to the sound quality. Sound quality, your students are not able to listen to you better, and they are not able to clear, maybe there is a sound in the surrounding, so that will be a problem. What you can do, you can invest in a mic like this, and just attach it with the phone. It's a very cheap mic. You can get it around 200 to 300 rupees in the market only, depending on you how minimal, by doing the minimal investment you can start your teaching. And then when slowly you will start earning, you will start growing with the number of students, you can invest in a good pen tablet and a laptop, and you can start teaching with the help of using the whiteboard in the you can say the virtual whiteboard in the laptop. And there are so many setups. I'm going to make a videos on this is the basic setup. I'm going to make a video on the advanced setup also, so that's how you can start at least. Now this is the time to have an expert advice. I will suggest you, if you are in India, if you are a teacher and you are facing this corona pandemic situation, I know many of students are not giving salary on time, they deducted the salary to half. This is the right time to you are at home, you have enough time, you can just adjust your time, and students are also there at home, they need online tutors. So this is the best time to collect your students, to reach out to them and start earning, being your own boss. So this is expert advice. Believe me, this I'm talking all the things at the ground level, and these all are perfectly feasible. Thousands of teachers are earning in this way. If they can do, you can do. So that's all for today. If you like my video for whatsoever reason, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box that Suchita, this kind of content we really like and we learn something from this. That's how I'm able to make the content, same kind of content in my coming videos. So that's all for today. Keep growing, do not lose hope. If I can achieve, you can also achieve. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.